How do I install or download Cash App Plus Plus?
Welcome everyone. In today's tutorial, we'll be discussing how to install or download Cash App Plus Plus. This app is a tweaked version of the official Cash App that provides additional features not found in the standard version. Let's get started.
What is Cash App Plus Plus?
Cash App Plus Plus is a modified version of Cash App, a popular mobile payment service that claims to give users more control and features. However, it's important to note that these types of modified applications are not endorsed by the original developers and can carry potential risks such as violation of terms of service, security vulnerabilities, and even legal consequences.
How to download Cash App Plus Plus?
While the standard version of Cash App can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play Store, Cash App Plus Plus is not available on these platforms. You might find it on third-party app stores or websites, but downloading applications from these sources can be risky. 1. If you choose to proceed, first enable installation of applications from unknown sources on your device. On Android, you can usually find this in your device's security settings. 2. Next, search for the Cash App Plus Plus APK on a third-party app store or website. 3. Click on the download link to start the downloading process. 4. Once the APK file is downloaded, tap on it to start the installation process. Remember, downloading apps from unverified sources can expose your device and personal data to risks such as malware and data theft. Proceed with caution.
Is there an alternative way?
If you're interested in the features that Cash App Plus Plus offers, it might be a better idea to look for legitimate apps that offer similar functionality. There are many other mobile payment applications available that might suit your needs, like Venmo, Zelle, or PayPal. Always make sure to download apps from official app stores to ensure the safety and security of your device and personal data. In conclusion, while installing Cash App Plus Plus might seem tempting, it's essential to consider the potential risks and legal implications involved. We strongly recommend using only official applications from recognized app stores. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online.